the U.S. and Taiwan, there is also an issue regarding the U.S. beef.
Yes.
And since the U.S. government has decided to file the issue to WTO to solve the controversy. So what, as a businessman, what do you think about the U.S. beef issue?
Well, the beef issue, I'm not sure if I agree with you that it's going to the WTO yet. I believe that Ambassador Morantis mentioned that as a possible option, but it still hasn't been decided. From our standpoint as an organization, Taiwan signed a protocol with the US in October of 2009, and we believe that Taiwan should stick to that protocol. It's very damaging for broad US commercial relations in Asia if a trading partner as important as Taiwan does a commercial deal and then changes it. That isn't just an issue in US-Taiwan relations, it's an issue in all America's commercial relations. So it's a terrible precedent. So for Taiwan and President Ma's government needs to impress upon President Obama's government how this issue is going to be resolved.
Mm-hmm.